taking an outside edge this time. And a diving effort at the third. This one's connected nicely. Fielder in position and directed. Could be gone. And an overthrow resulting in. So this is a good connected shot. Little short of pitch. And Arun. This one's in the air. Is there a fielder to catch that? Yes, it is. And what a running catch. Manish with the ball. First delivery is hit that straight and that's gone towards the straight boundary. In the air and oh, that is a one-handed attempt from the captain. Clean ball. As I said, he's looking for his first breakthrough. Full toss down the leg side, missed by the keeper. And that ball is quick enough to. That's a big shot. It is in the air. The fielder under it. And he's and going for a big shot, taking the outside edge of the bat, and that ball is quick enough to cross. A big appeal and gone, looking to play across on the leg side. So that is a big shot, confidently played that outside the. Once again, he's hammered that towards the backward square leg region. Once again in the air and outside the park it is. Max Singaram. He'll be coming in to bowl his first over. A loose delivery and he's dispatched that. That is the easiest. Full toss and once again in the same direction. This time much more effective. So this time Kumaresan joining the party, hitting that towards the mid wicket. What a fabulous shot. Easily. This time Eldos with the ball. It's the last over for him. And the very first delivery. Hit that straight. The fielder not able to stop it. So back-to-back boundary. Oh, that's a good pull shot there from Malik. This is a big shot. Rajdeep will only see that ball sailing over his head. Another to celebrate a century here for Malik Barkat Ali. What a fabulous inning he's played. The time he came into bat, his team was in trouble. This time drifting down the pads and that's a flick of the wrist. So Kumaresan once again and what a beautiful shot that is on the. So Akhilesh with the ball once again, and what a good shot to start the third over. Once again, flick and one bounce into the fence. 4 runs it is. That's in the air and away and above the head of the mid-off fielder. So this one's gone towards the third man region, and that will be Bar. This is hit through the covers, cracking and a boundary. So Kishore had to go for that big shot in an attempt to get a wicket. This is in the air and it is out of the ground. Maximum intensity. A lower full toss. Oh, there could be a chance. The fielder did not. Down the track and outside edge and 4. Unlucky for the bowler here. So Jermaine yet to open his account. That is in the air and a little away from the fielder. So in the bowling attack, it is Firoz of the power score here. 7 overs, 97 for 1. And starts with a late cut. A diving effort, but could. And that is a boundary from Kishore. Straight as an arrow behind the bowler. The fielder at long on. No chance to stop that.